Hey all, so this is meant to be kind of an update, but I'll provide background for those who haven't been following in the forums. Sorry, it's my radar detector. I recently had to redo the clutch, full clutch kit on my G37 6MT 2008. I had a Z1 Motorsports clutch kit in here, the mid-weight flywheel, unsprung disc, and the OEM slave cylinder that was installed with that kit bit the dust at about 18,000 miles, saturated the flywheel and clutch, just kind of ruined everything. So I had to go replace everything. To make sure that didn't happen again, I went ahead and did some research and purchased another Z1 clutch kit, mid-range, only this time with a sprung disc. And with that, I went with a ZSpeed CMAK version 3 slave cylinder retrofit kit because I didn't want to be dropping, I didn't want to have to replace the whole clutch again if the slave cylinder blew. So wanted to kind of prevent that from happening ever again. Here's the issue. I had this kit for about, did a 600 mile break-in period. At about 1,000 miles, everything was fine, but at about 1,000 miles, it started to not want to shift anymore or go into gear. And it was grinding in every gear. It was locking me out occasionally of different gears. So this all happened on a Saturday and I stopped driving it. The following Monday, I took it into a shop, drove it about 6 miles to a shop. Turns out, after a bunch of research, trying to troubleshoot the problem, the slave cylinder in the CMAK kit had bit the dust. And that was causing a lot of the issues. So I had that replaced, just replaced the actual slave cylinder in the CMAK kit that's external. And in that process, that's in now, everything's shifting, it's great, but I've got this horrible kind of Wheel of Fortune grinding sound that almost sounds like a bent leaf on the pressure plate or something. I'm not sure what it is. And I'm not the only one that has this problem. This seems to be a fairly common problem with the combo of the Z1 CMAK kit with the, or ZSpeed CMAK kit with the Z1 clutch kit. So I've been talking to a gentleman in Florida. He's got the exact same issue I have. I'll patch in the sound, because I don't know if you can hear it right now, but I'll patch in the sound of what's going on. Here's the sound. And that happens both in neutral. If I push in the clutch, it doesn't do it, see? But when the clutch is out, it does it, and then it does it under load when everything's engaged as well. So that's the issue I'm having. Unfortunately, looks like I'm gonna have to drop the transmission again. That's actually where I'm headed right now, to troubleshoot, figure out what's going on. I'm spending a lot of money to sort this out, so if you wanna follow and follow the journey, see what happens, feel free to tag along.